when you put fins on your feet and a mask on your face, and you jump in the sea almost anywhere in the world, you are very likely to encounter a seagrass meadow. Just like the grass on your lawn, but underwater. Seagrasses are an important habitat for fish, and in many countries in the world, the fishes from seagrass meadows form an essential part of the food source for local families. Seagrasses also protect our coastlines, filter nutrients, and are amazing to snorkel through. Within my PhD, I look at the genetic diversity of seagrass meadows in the past and in the present, and I look at how the diversity changes over time. There are several factors that can increase the diversity of a seagrass meadow by adding new individuals or genotypes to a population. New seagrasses can enter a population from an outdoor meadow, from a neighboring meadow, or through sexual reproduction within the meadow. And think about a team of Avengers. Each individual seagrass will add their own skills and strengths and weaknesses to the team. Some meadows only reproduce asexually, leading to a low diversity. Think about a team of Avengers with just Thor. So, what are these Avengers of the sea, these sea Vengers actually fighting? Well, we humans are everywhere. We change the climate, we pollute our oceans, we fish along all the world's coastlines, and we put pressure upon pressure upon pressure on our local seagrass meadows. And who is fighting back? I compare the current team of Avengers in Western Australian seagrass meadows with the teams 1 and 5 years ago. And this helps us understand which meadows are vulnerable and which ones are able to fight off some villains. My research found that the meadows in Ningaloo have a lower diversity, a lower number of genotypes than the one in Shark Bay, making the ones in Ningaloo more vulnerable. The next step in my PhD is to find out why this is happening. My research also helps to inform restoration efforts of seagrass meadows. If we identify which meadows have a low diversity, we can restore them by adding a few more superheroes to the team. And by adding a super seagrass that can resist heat waves, we can make sure that a meadow can continue to provide fish for local families, even in a future where the climate is changing.